People often say that your time spent in college will be the best years of your life. That may be true for many people, but let's face it, college life can also be really stressful. You spend almost every waking hour going to class, studying, and working, which often causes you to run on little sleep. When you do have a bit of free time, there are other stressors. You may be balancing academics, relationships, work, and other responsibilities. Mindfulness strategies can be very helpful to combat this stress. While mindfulness is grounded in Eastern spiritual practices, it's really just a way to help you to slow down and fully focus on the present, even for just a few seconds. Research shows that even very brief mindfulness exercises can significantly reduce stress and lead to an increase in overall well-being, especially if you practice on a consistent basis. Meet Frank. Frank is working on a double major, is a member of the ROTC, and is in a relationship. To support his focus and attention, he started a new visualization practice that has helped him feel much calmer and happier, despite how busy he is. Every morning before he leaves, he sets a timer for 1 minute. In his mind, he visualizes one of his favorite places, a lake near his parents' house. He imagines the cool breeze on his skin and hears the waves lapping on the shore. He lets the smell of the grass fill his nostrils. When a timer goes off, he is ready to start his day. This 1 minute Frank has set aside for himself has really helped him feel less stressed throughout the week. Mindfulness techniques can all be done in a minute or less, and can often be done while you are in class, at work, or around your roommates. These practices can bring your mind to the present, taking your attention off all your daily stressors. It may seem difficult at first, but you will get used to the techniques quickly. And if you make these strategies a part of your daily routine, you will soon notice increased alertness and indeed, increased joy like Frank.